So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, 5th of February. So I just have changed the layout of my chart because I have been having a lot of issues with my headaches, and so I just decided to go dark. And if you guys need any help with the color settings, you can ask me in my Discord and I can just guide you with the color settings. All right. So I hope you guys are able to uh, see in this dark ambience, because as I told you that I've been struggling a bit with my headaches and I just wanted to take care of my health first, so I decided to go dark in the trading view. All right, so since we know that yesterday I took the trade on Dow Jones, and it was somewhere around which area it was, it yeah, somewhere around here. Yeah, I took the trade somewhere around here and I closed the trade because of uh, some uncertainty, since the price was here in the imbalance level and I was getting a bit uh, concerned about the rejection. So even if you see in the 4 hours time frame, the price here, if you see in the 4 hours time frame, the price, you can see that the price was getting a bit rejected in from this level. So I was a bit unsure on the take, but eventually it played out pretty good. As you can see that the price did play out very well. The entry was valid and it secured around 2 to 3 hour. I think my entry was somewhere around this place here, and it did uh, hit my target of 2 hour. My target, initial target, was 2 hour, and it did hit the target, and then it came back to this place, and then it went for the further 3.5 hour. But it's okay. It's very important to understand, if you think if the market is reversing, it's very important to back off. In some cases I would miss the trade, and I have missed the trade many times because of break evens, but that's all right. That's how I like to manage my capital, even if I miss out on some beautiful entries. Well, anyway, now as we see that the price has taken some orders, and the price found its support area in here in the weekly time frame. Initially the price got rejected from this area of imbalance, as we can see, and we were talking about, the price did get reject from this imbalance zone and then went back to take the orders from the spot, and now we can see that the price is very firmly holding the bullish bias. So in the daily time frame, it's more or less the same thing. We have an open imbalance which is here somewhere around this place, which we will keep in our mind, but for now we have plenty of good levels to crack before going down. So we'll focus on more on the support that the price has provided yesterday, a day before yesterday. As we can see that the price has some support in this level in the daily time frame. For now I'm going to remove this one. What happened yesterday, the candle didn't close out uh, pretty good according to me, because I wanted the if the price continues to push back up, I wanted to see a bullish candle instead of this bearish hammer, or I don't really know how this is called because I just don't pay a lot of attention to the names. But this candle out here, it's okay, it doesn't look very bad, but at the same time it's not bullish. But we can see the rejection that we got from this level. All right, so let me just minimize this. Yeah, all right. Yeah, so what we have right now is the price rejection from this level. In the In the 4 hours we see something that shows that the price has a support on this level, and it looks very clean. The support looks very clean. At the same time we will have this level to be cracked, right? At the same time we will have this level to be cracked first in order for any move to the upside. What we see here as well is this point of support that the price has been holding since yesterday. In the 1 hour something similar, something like this. So what we see that the price from yesterday, the price is holding in the same spot, like the zone that I marked yesterday. If you see in the 5 minutes time frame, the zone that we marked yesterday here, the price is holding in the same level, right? The price is holding in the same level. So let's see how it plays today. As for now we see that the price is holding up in this level. We'll have another level to be taken out here. These are three important levels for today. In the 30 minutes we have more or less the same levels. You can see in 15 minutes as well, same, and in 5 minutes as well. So I wanted to let you guys know something about my decision that I made yesterday. I just removed Nasdaq and SPX from my trading list. Yesterday I did one last trading on these assets, and then since then I decided not to keep it in my chart. I just wanted to fully devote it on Dow Jones and Russell. My primary focus would be on Dow Jones, but I would like to cross check the price action with Russell. Alright, so I would not be trading SPX for now. I would not be trading Nasdaq or crude oil for now. I'll just take a break from these two. I just want to focus on Dow Jones as much as I can. So what we have today we have plenty of important levels. One is this, one here as well in the middle. You can see that the price is holding in this level as well. So these are the four important levels for today. All right, so we have these levels marked up very clearly. So what are we going to do? What are we going to plan today? From my perspective, I think I should just wait for this zone to be taken out so that we could target something higher up at this level. And alongside, if we manage to crack this level, we could just keep targeting the higher price, which is here. And also you can see that the price has left the imbalance in this zone. So coming back to again in the 4 hours, we'll check the market again. We see that the price is holding up in these three levels very well, here, and here. The price is getting some support in this level, in these two levels. In the morning it got support from this level, and the daily candle indeed it's not bullish, but it's trying to defend. The sellers are trying to defend this territory because there was the last closing of yesterday. So it's very important for the price to close back up. If the price trades above this level, then we can potentially target to the highs. All right, if we get on the buy side trades, right? For that we need the price to be above this level, so that would give us more certainty that we can see that the price, if the price managed to capitalize above this, if the price is trading in the daily candle, if the price is trading above this level, then we will have more certainty on the buy to this level. All right, so that would be my take for today. So I'm going to keep this blue line here so that we know that we have the daily level. Also, if you go and check the daily highs and lows, the price has already rejected from this level as per my understanding, but the lows are here. I'm just going to mark, and the highs are here. Right. So these two are the main levels for today. So as long as the price remains above this level, we can hopefully look for buys. Let me see if we have a buy trade on this side. We can potentially target for 2.5 hour at least. 2.5 hour, yeah, looks good. So that would be my take on Dow Jones. I'm going to refine the charts again from the 4 hours to the 5 minutes. So if we see that the 4 hours has got some support in here, and the price started to make higher highs and higher lows, as you can see in this chart, which is not visible. Let me just change the color to white. Yeah, as you can see, the price has already started to make the higher highs and higher lows, but this area is important. As we know, this area here is important. So in 4 hours we see that the price has got support here and here as well. In 1 hour we see the same, something similar, that the price has got support here as well. You see the price got rejected from this level, and I will just keep this marked from yesterday's zone. All right, so we have some idea about this zone. We know that this is a concrete zone to be cracked. So in the 1 hour we see that the price is breaking above this level. In 30 minutes as well, price looks very bullish to me. 15 minutes as well, but we have to take an account of the imbalances which are left below, but I'm not going to let it affect my trading today. This imbalance can have rest, they can wait, since the price is making higher highs and higher lows. I'm gonna keep marking up the level. You see this level has also been taken out from the market. Very clear price action today for the bullish, for the upside. So we have this level, which is very important. We still have 15 minutes for the price to for the market to get open. 5 minutes as well, we see that the price is has almost taken over this area here. All right, in 15 minutes here and the 5 minutes here as well, very clean. So we will have this imbalance on play today. 15 minutes the same. Yeah, so this area is going to be very important for today's market open, but I would not like to enter with a limit order. But to be honest, this trade can play very well if we place an order here with a stop loss of uh, 250, which is, yeah, here. And this thing can play today, but I'm not going to put any limit orders before the opening. Okay, so what we have now we have 19 seconds for this candle to close. If the candle managed to close above this level, which we can see like this, it's obvious that the price is making a higher high. In 15 minutes as well, we see if the price break above this level, but this is going to be the most important level to be taken out. In 5 minutes we have this level. Yeah, so this is going to be the last hurdle for Dow Jones. If the price managed to take control above this level, then we can definitely enter a buy with a tight stop loss. Or no, I'm not going to change my stops, which it's going to be something like this, but we will have a potential of 2R, which is still going to be okay. So I'm not going to panic on today's entry. I'm going to wait for the 335 market candle to get close, and then we'll wait. So we have two potential zones marked. One is here, one is here. I will be waiting for this one more, but I would at the same time I would still like the price to stay under this level before the market open. All right, so that we can have a entry above this level here. So this is my take on Dow Jones. Coming back to RT, let's see what we have today. RT's price action. So in RT we see that the price in 4 hours is something similar. Oh no, it's not RT, dude. Yeah, RT is here. Yeah, so I'm gonna delete the markups from before. In RT something similar like Dow Jones we can see, but at the same time the price is still under pressure, under this level of imbalance, which I'm going to keep in my mind, not going to ignore that. So what we see, that the price did get reject today from this level, leaving an imbalance, leaving big imbalances over this place in the 4 hours. Let's see what we have. Yeah, so we have this huge imbalances left in these levels. So I don't think RT is a good asset for today. Not really. We have an imbalance. The market is still at the imbalance. Its potential, it potentially can get rejected from this level. But we see, I'm going to mark up the zone like this in the 1 hour. Yesterday the price took off really good. It was a very good trade that I missed. So we have this level in the 1 hour. In 30 minutes as well we see something similar. This zone, the zone formation of RT is very good today. I like these kind of zones, which provides us good stops, somewhat good stops. It's still very wide. The zone is still very wide, but we can get a good risk to reward as well. So what we have here, we have in 15 minutes the price is breaking above this level. We should not forget that the imbalance is still intact. We still have this level to be tested. So yeah, if we get a trade above this level, we can target to this level without a problem. Right, there might be some huge wicks because the price still has some liquidity left in this level here. So I'm gonna be very patiently waiting for this zone to be taken out on RT. I would be looking for more buy side trades today, not going to change that. And we have a zone here that could potentially protect our stops. This break above this level, it's a very good entry. It can provide us a very good entry today, but we'll see at the time of open. So we have these two trade ideas, on one on RT and one on Dow Jones. This would be my take for today. So that's it, guys. I'm going to maximize my screen because I need to see it properly. I know it takes a toll on quality on the YouTube live, but if you are with me while trading on a Zoom call, you would not have any problem. So anyway, we 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 are seeing what we wanted to see in Dow Jones. In Dow Jones we see that the price is managing to trade above this level, and that's very good. That's a good signal for any bullish bias. But having to see these levels, we have to keep in mind that the price might reject, and not reject, but price might do some corrections. Right, we have like 10 minutes for the market to get open. I'll be waiting for this area. Look, we can also place a trade. I would have placed a trade here as well, but this is against my policy, against my rule, because I always wait for the market candle to the first candle to close and the zone to be taken out. So the market zone is very huge. I'm not going to lie, the zone is very huge. We cannot trade according to the zone today. We have to fully focus on the price action. We cannot trade on the breakout strategy, we cannot trade on the zone strategy. We have to fully focus on price action. Let's see how it goes. this one is fine. So we have plenty of levels, one here, one here, but my main focus will remain above this level. And on RT can give us a good entry on a limit order, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to take a limit order before the market open. Let's see if there's any chance of liquidity below, which I don't really see. Nothing, nothing really, nothing really. We have, in fact, we have a level here and a level here. So I think we can go with RT today. We we have this low here planned set like this, and our stops are going to be safe if the price takes over order in 15 minutes. It's a very good trade, and stops below this level. It all depends on the market condition, the condition of the market. So we have this trade. Maybe we can target up to 3R on this one. Not sure if I should enter this trade, but I think I should. If this candle managed to close above, which I think it is already closing above. So yeah, I think if this candle will close above this level, I can place a limit order, which is a quite risky, but we are here to take risks. So, but on Dow, I'm not compromising with my rule at all. I'm going to wait for this level to be taken out, and then I would be waiting for this level to be taken out in order to enter any buy on this side, right? So here we have two opportunities of buy. One is an RT, which I think I will just put the limit order. Maybe it will liquidate, maybe it will not, maybe it will take the liquidity from the bottom, or maybe not. But given the fact the price action, I think I can take a chance on this one if this candle managed to close above. Let's see in the 15 minutes how it is. In 30 minutes there's no imbalance left in the bottom, so I think I would like to go with this. I've not placed the order yet. I will be waiting. So in 5 minutes we see that the candle has closed above this level. So I think I will wait. I'm not going to put the limit order yet. We have 5 more minutes to see. Because at this point the price can do some retracement, a deep down retracement into this level as well, because if the market opens at the level of resistance, which is the case right now, it could possibly either break it, like like there is no retracement, or it will just take down the liquidity from this zone, from here. So we'll wait and see what the market has to offer. In Nati, I think I will place a trade, limit trade on here, but we have 5 more minutes. I think I would place a trade on RT before the market open, because this candle has gave me some confirmation for the for the bullish potential. So I will take one risk entry on RT, and one very well planned entry on Dow Jones if the price after the bank open, after the New York open. When I see the market is open and has done its thing, only then I will place any trade on Dow Jones. So for now, I have one trade placed on RT, which is a limit order. I'm not very sure if the market would take it, but let's see. Dow Jones should come somewhere like this, fill up the orders, and then shoot back up. I would like to place an entry here, but I haven't placed it because I have placed one on RT. So I will be waiting for the upside movement. So let's see. So we have 2 more minutes for the markets to be open. The problem with RT is the volume. It just comes, it gets really highly volatile at the time of open. Really highly volatile. But it's okay. Dow is doing exactly what I was thinking. It's coming to this level. In 15 minutes also it looks very authentic. If it doesn't test this level before going up, I would probably not enter in the top. So there we go. We have 1 more minute. 1 minute 40 seconds. I think RT is not gonna give us a chance. Maybe, or maybe not. Let's see. Dow should test this level for sure. I'm not gonna enter with limit order before the market open, but Dow should test this level. So the market is open. We see if the market tests this level. RT, I think the price has already left. It might not come. Well, let's see. Dow is struggling to surpass this level because there's an imbalance left in this level. I think I would enter a trade on Dow here because the stops are quite safe according to my understanding. Yeah, I think I should enter trade and Dow. I'm going to remove this order from RT. I'm going to keep the order on Dow. Yeah, the order has been filled on Dow. It's a risk entry, but I'm going to take my chance. I don't know why this happened. My all the markups are gone. So RT has this area here that it could potentially test, and if I make an order like here, this can also come to play if the price respects. So we will first need to take this level out in order for any continuation. Let's see how this one closes. The price is in this zone. Well, I think I should rather wait for this zone to be taken out. Yes, right. Yep. I think I will close this trade. I'll wait for this one to be taken out because I didn't see that bullish push in this. I'll wait for this candle to close and then I'll close this trade. If it doesn't close bullish, I'll definitely close on this one. 10 seconds to left. I think I'll just close it. So what I'll do, I'll wait for the price to take above this level because now I think the price should have closed above this level, or maybe, well, well, I think I should just wait for the price to take above this level. Only then I will plan any entry. That would give me more confirmation, definitely. So I will wait for this level to be taken out. The trade was good though. It was a good one, but it's always important to trust your gut because at this point you see that the price I wanted, look, this area of imbalance, it's good, it was a good entry, but the same time I wanted to see a rejection. I mean, you cannot say that this is a rejection because the candle still closed above, below these three candles. So I wanted the candle to close above this level. If the candle closed above this level, I would have left the trade running. So let's see. We wait for this zone to be taken out. If the price, which I think it will take out this zone, then we can definitely enter here. The trade was really good, but it's okay. We wait because the trade has already given like 1 hour maybe. Yep, 1.36 hours. So yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Because as I told you that that trade was not with my strategy. It was more like, you know, with price action, like more relying only on price action. But one of my main most important rule is to wait for at least first candle to close after the NY gets open, and that was not aligning with my rule, so I decided to close it. I'll still wait for this candle to close, only then I will plan any entry, and then I will definitely wait for this trade to take at least 2 hours. We have 1 minute something for this candle to close. So yeah, I think we could just remove RT for now and focus on Dow. So very conflictive situation. I place the order. Let's see if it takes my order. Order filled. Alright, so the order has been filled. Now we just wait. It's okay. This trade is okay as per my understanding. The only thing that is a bit off to me is this level, because the price still have not has not uh, surpassed this level. It's still inside this level. You know what I mean? The candle has not closed above this level, but I think this could work. target would be 2R, which is somewhere around here. Let's see what's going with RT. RT is still in its place. The volume is good as well. So that's it. No BE today. I'm not going to move any break evens, so we'll just leave the trade running. And as per my understanding, the trade is still a bit conflictive because I want a 5 minutes to close above this level. That way I will be more sure. Let me see what's there in the 1 minute. No, 1 minute, there's no imbalance left. 3 minutes could be. The price might come here to test this imbalance. Might be. Not very sure. 5 minutes, it's still a bit okay. It's okay. So we wait. Just have to keep doing our work. I would be very I would not be surprised if the RT comes here and take the order and go back up. But let's see on this one. That's it, guys. I think I should have waited for this candle to close above this level, which it failed. It failed to close above this level. You can see it, which is why it's stuck right now. But still a good trade. Very likely for a 3 minutes imbalance. So yeah, let's see. The moment price close above this level, I would be just, I would probably leave this trade for 3 hours, maybe. It's very important for the price to close above this level because it's still under inside of this zone. So we have ISM coming in 12 minutes. I would not hold this trade more than 12 minutes. Oh shit, I forgot that today is ISM, so I think I'm gonna just get out of on this trade right now because today's ISM. I'm not going to risk it. I just forgot about the trade, about the news. So ISM PMI, dude, I'm not gonna risk it. This trade might play very well, but I'm not gonna risk it. It just came in my mind, thank God. It just struck my mind. No worries if we see that the price has taken off. No worries. We have tomorrow. We have other days of trading. I don't want to risk a penny on the news. No fundamental trading. No trading on fundamental events. So I just closed that trade on a break even. I'm going to just wait for the news to come out. Only then I will decide if I have to enter or if I have to exit. Well, not taking risk on ISM. So two trades I have taken. One I just closed with some profit. The other one I just closed with break even because I'm waiting for the news just so that you guys know. Especially on this one, ISM, no freaking way. Not risking a penny on this one because the moment this one is out, the price just keeps going in one direction without taking a breather. So that was a good decision that I closed the trades. Very good. After the news is out, we will have a clear outlook of the price and maybe we can enter. I would still not like to enter at that time, but if the price breaks above this level in the news and or below this level, we can still plan an entry, you know. So let's wait and watch. Look, this level looks so important. This zone, even the 15 minutes failed to close above this level. So these all things are very important, quite important to see when you're trading US30, especially on US30, not on any other asset I would say, but US30 for sure. RT is still respecting the level very well. It might just come down to this level and take fill up the imbalance before going back up. It was a very good call for closing this trade. Four more minutes for the ISM news. No, I'm not going to look forward on this one. Now we have only two levels, here and here. Any breach below this level we will call a sell off for sure. For sure. For sure. RT might not respect this as well because it's the news hour, it's the news time. I would be very glad if it respects this, but very well. Let me see some short ideas on this one. So I assume it's about to hit the ground. Let's see. Moving aside RT, just focusing on this one. I'm not going to place any sell order yet. I need to wait to see if the price respects this zone or it just doesn't. According to my understanding, the price has left a huge imbalance down here, so I think it could go to test that imbalance. I think the traders have already speculated the impact on the news, so the price is diving deep down. With the sell idea, the target is insane, insane. So maybe I could just take an advantage, but it's gonna be a bit risky. It's gonna be a bit risky. So there we go. Not selling. RT has played so well. My goodness. I'm not selling the Dow Jones yet. Well, now in this case, if the if RT is going up, exactly where we planned it, right? This is where we planned it. Fucking news. If news wasn't there, I would have taken this one. Definitely. Well, now we have one trade somewhere around this place with a 50 tick stop loss, but it needs to break first. This level needs to break down. Salute give a very huge RR risk to reward. Not sure about the stops though. So RT played really well. Like two are in less than 5 minutes. But anyway, we forget about that. We focus on what we have right now. So we have an opportunity on Dow Jones, selling opportunity, but we need to see if the market breaks below. not going to panic. I'm going to wait. Wow. Wow. Going to wait for a retracement. We still have 1 minute for the price. So I'm gonna just mark my trade, put my trade somewhere on this corner. Only if it comes back up. I think we have missed on this one, but the inefficiency of the market is still there. There can be two possible places where the price can come and reject this and this here on the top. So if I plan my trade here, I'm going to risk 360. Well, worth the risk. So let's see.
Order filled.
Alright, the order has been filled. So let's see what we have. Hmm. So what went wrong on this trade? I think I did a very early entry. That is what went wrong in this trade. Early entry, with by early entry I mean I should have put my trade here, but still we see how it goes in any case. Well, ISM is not a day that I look for trading. I just try to exit my positions on when there's ISM news, but let's see on this one. I think we're still on time to do the break even thing, but I would wait. It doesn't look really good. Let me see if there was any liquidity in the 1 minute time frame. There wasn't. I don't see the reason why price would go up now. Well, so that's it, guys. I think this one I'm gonna get stopped out. It was kind of manipulation. So yeah, I'm out on this trade. I'm gonna take a breather and see what we can do. Since we see it looks like the price has got some orders from this level, from this zone. So we'll wait. We'll wait to see. We'll wait to see in the bigger time frame what the market has to offer, and then only then we will look for any other trades. Because I tend to take 2 trades maximum in a day. One got PE, the other one got stopped out. So let's see what we have on this side. So we'll wait. It looked like an opportunity for me when the price broke this level, but at the same time, I was anti-trend. But that's okay. Stops are the part of the system. We have to take it as a challenge every time. RT provided much value today. Still, the price was inside the stops. Very well performance on RT. But we'll see. So well, I think I will wait for another 1 hour to to see any to see if I get any possible trades, because right now, as long as the price remains in this zone, I would not be looking for any trades, especially not on the sell side, because it just manipulated my trade just right now. So well guys, see you guys tomorrow. And it's fine. I mean, we secure so much, take profits, sometimes there's loss and we have to deal with it. That's the part of the game. So no worries, I will share my setup if I decide to take any trade on Dow or on RT. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow at the same time. Have a great day.